In this video, I want to show you how to drastically improve your prompts when it comes to using text-to-image services and creating those prompts to really bring out the best image you could possibly want. So let's get started. There's really 6 components that make up a great prompt when using a text-to-image service. The first is style. So what are you actually looking for? Is that something that's cinematic? Is it black and white? Or will it be an animation? The second one is the shot, and that's the camera angle. So do you want your shot to be close up, far away, at the midpoint, waist up? That's ultimately something that you'd want to determine as well. The third would be the subject. So what are the characters? Describe them. Specifically, what are they and what they should be? Keep it simple to man in a blue sweater or woman in a blue blouse. The next one is action. So is the subject running, jumping, walking, crawling? That's ultimately something you want to include as well. Next one is the setting. So where is this taking place? Is this in the city? Is this in a parking lot? Is it inside of an office building? And the final one is lighting. So is this happening at night? Is it happening during an early sunrise? You want to get very clear in terms of what it is that you want to say when it comes to your text prompt. So let's put it all together, and I'm going to show you an example that I've created. Here I'm using a service called Leonardo AI, which is a great text-to-image service, but it offers a lot more intuitive features as well. And if that's something that you're interested in, I have a link to that video popping up in a moment. So for my prompt, I specifically indicated that it is a fashion shoot, 35mm Fuji film. This would be the style of the image. And for the shot, I'm indicating that it is a long shot. For the subject, I'm looking for it to be a woman who is inspired by Blade Runner, and it's a costume from the 1980s. And then the action that I want is walking, and I want it at night, and I want sci-fi lighting, and it's going to be in the city. So let's see what we come up with. As you can see, you get really great images out of the prompts that you can create when you can get very specific. There's various angles here of her walking within the city. Now, if you wanted to tweak it, you certainly could. Here, maybe what I'll do instead is I will add blonde and regenerate the image. As you can see here, that in terms of the change, the woman looks very similar, but the hair is drastically different. And in subsequent shots, her jacket is a lot lighter. But overall, it's a great result. And if you're somebody who's a creative person and you're looking for really stylish images to put into your magazine or a special project that you're working on, you really can't go wrong with Leonardo AI, but more specifically, you can really use the format of these text prompts in any kind of service that you use, whether that is DALL-E, whether that is Microsoft Image Creator, which is also a free service that Microsoft uses. You can get really stylized images that pop, that are super realistic and can wow your viewer. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.